Kevin here. This is a Ludicrate box that just arrived not too long ago, earlier today. But as you can see, I already ripped open and saw what was in there. Now I'm gonna show you what there is. Alright, so there's a shirt. I don't know if you can see it well, of the Joker, because it was Villains Month this month. And the box, it looks pretty nice. Pretty cool what they did. Some Marvel Deadpool socks, not that bad. And oh look, one of our favorite original baddies, Darth Vader. Not that bad. I saw this earlier. This was pretty cool. It's a poster of the Joker. Nice art. And Harley Quinn. And one of our original baddies, Bowser, saying "and I want you" sign, a magnet. Pretty much it. And a DVD of Necessary Evil Supervillains of DC Comics, and it talks about their experience and how they became, which includes the Joker, Lex Luthor, Catwoman, Doomsday, and Bane. Nice. I haven't opened it to watch it yet. They made a villains issue because it was Villains Month. It's just about villain things, pretty much it. There's nothing more to say. Cool Ludicrate July 2014 villain pin button. And the last thing, and this was exclusive for this month, was a Rocket Raccoon issue for Marvel. It even has the Ludicrate sign up there. But yeah, it was exclusive. And well, if you got Ludicrate this month, be sure to keep this. Oh, and Batman and Joker, best buds. Oh yeah, thanks for watching my video.